In this session, we're going to continue with stock label printing. Now, I've already explained the sort order, the label quantities, and the label types in another session. So now we're going to look at what we've got at the bottom here. You'll see that we've got select visible fields. With select visible fields, you can change what you see in front of you. In other words, you can switch off or add more fields, making sure that if you do make changes here, that you always right-click and save the changes. Then we've got the filter option. You see I've already got a filter saved at the top here, so I can double-click on that, and that will then display the filter information for me. If I click on filter, it tells me that it must only display my codes that starts with TSHG. Then we've got our search facility where we can search for text, making sure that it's perhaps case sensitive, or that when it finds it, it must close the screen. Verbose means it's going to bring up a text screen telling us that it's found the item, or where must the word be, must it be an exact match, or only in the beginning of the sentence, or anywhere. And then you can specify if you want to search by a specific field, otherwise it will look through all the fields. Then we've got our preview option. Remember, before you preview, you must select the label type. Then you've got the design option. In the design option, it will allow you to change the paper size under file and page settings, making sure that your paper size is correct. If you want to change the columns, you can do that here as well. You can also manipulate the fields you have in front of you by using your data tree and dragging the fields across, or removing fields if you want, and then you can change the barcode type here, making sure that the type and the type that your scanner scans is the same. But I will explain more on report writing in another session. Then we've got our quick label option. You manipulate what you want the quick label to do, must it preview or print, and if you then click on quick labels, you specify how many would you like to print of the item that you're currently on. The next one is print, making sure that you've already specified what must print, and the last one here will zero your quantities. And that concludes looking at stock label printing.